Elvanto is a powerful church management software, but before deciding if it's the right choice for your congregation, there are a few things you need to know. While it's considered one of the top choices for church administration, it's essential to compare it to competitors and figure out if it fits your church's needs. Stick around till the end, and we'll highlight both its strengths and weaknesses so you can make a well-informed decision. First, let's talk about ease of use. Elvanto provides a clean, user-friendly interface, which can be an advantage over more complex platforms like Church Community Builder or Planning Center. However, some users report that getting familiar with all of Elvanto's features can take a little time. If you're looking for something that's ready to go right out of the box, this could be a consideration. Next thing, Elvanto offers a comprehensive set of tools for managing church operations. From member management to event scheduling, donation tracking, and volunteer coordination, it covers most of the bases. However, some of its competitors, like Breeze, offer similar features, but with simpler navigation and potentially better customer support for smaller churches. The third thing to consider is its customization options. Elvanto offers customizable forms, reports, and workflows, which can be a big plus for churches with specific needs. But if you require deeper customization, especially with reporting or data integration, you may find its flexibility somewhat limited compared to tools like Planning Center or ACS technologies. The fourth thing, let's talk about integrations. Elvanto integrates with tools like QuickBooks and MailChimp, which is a major plus. But, unlike some of its competitors, like Church Community Builder, it doesn't have quite as many out-of-the-box integrations, which might leave some churches needing to rely on third-party tools or API setups. Fifth thing to know is Elvanto's pricing structure. It's priced competitively, especially for mid-sized churches, but you might find it a little expensive if you're a small congregation with limited resources. Some alternatives like Breeze or Planning Center provide more budget-friendly options for smaller churches, with pricing based on the number of users or services. Next, let's talk about customer support. Elvanto has a reputation for decent support, offering live chat and email options. However, some users feel that support could be more responsive compared to competitors like Church Community Builder, which is known for its stellar customer service. Seventh, you should consider the mobile app. Elvanto's mobile app is available for both iOS and Android, which is great for on-the-go management. While it gets the job done, it isn't as polished as mobile apps from competitors like Planning Center, which offers a more seamless experience for both admins and volunteers. The eighth thing to keep in mind is security. Elvanto offers standard security features like data encryption and role-based access controls. While these are essential for protecting church data, if you have concerns about higher-level security, some competitors may offer additional security layers, such as multi-factor authentication. Ninth, when it comes to community and volunteer management, Elvanto excels. It allows you to schedule and manage volunteers with ease, which is something many users love. However, tools like Planning Center might provide more advanced features like check-in options for events or classes, which could be a deal breaker for some. The 10th thing is reporting. While Elvanto offers standard reporting, it's worth noting that some competitors provide more detailed, customizable reporting options. If deep insights and reporting analytics are critical to your church, you may want to explore other solutions that specialize in this area. 11th thing, scalability. Elvanto is a great choice for medium to large churches with a variety of needs. However, if you're a growing church or one with multiple campuses, you might find that platforms like Planning Center or Church Community Builder offer more scalability and can grow with you as your needs evolve. Lastly, Elvanto does offer a free trial, allowing you to explore the platform and see if it works for you before committing. It's a good way to get a feel for its features. But if you're looking for something that's perhaps easier to use, with better integration and pricing for smaller churches, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free as well. Overall, Elvanto is a solid choice for many churches, offering a range of essential features at a competitive price. However, depending on